of the standout features of the new arc fault and dual function breakers from Square D is a smaller footprint. Now Square D has provided more gutter space by reducing the length of our arc fault and dual function circuit breakers, leaving you valuable room to work. The extra space saves precious time and lightens the physical burden, making your work easier and more efficient. Another new feature of the new arc fault and dual function circuit breaker from Square D is its side-by-side lugs. By placing lugs beside each other, Square D has made it easier to connect the load neutral and load hot wires to the breaker. And since all of our arc fault and dual function circuit breakers are plug-on neutral, there are no pigtails to worry about. Simply 2 wires side by side. Save time in your installation process by removing the struggles of wire connection points. The new arc fault and dual function circuit breakers from Schneider Electric. The fastest just got faster.